Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to clear cache on Windows 10. So let's begin the video. You can use disk cleanup to clear caches. Click here and type disk cleanup. Click on it to open it. Now you have to choose the drive. Usually it's C. Now click OK. Now check items like temporary files, thumbnails and system caches. After that, click on OK. Then confirm the action by clicking delete files. You can also clear temporary files manually. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard and type %temp %. Then hit enter. This opens your temp folder. Now you have to press Ctrl plus A to select all files, then press delete. So there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.